Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you through how to make report cards via PowerPoint. So this is my data and I want to show you how to add. Given that you're given this and if you're to get the total basically is equals to sum. We are using function. So function basically is we're adding the number of English plus math plus science and SST scored. Altogether, when you put enter, that's what it brings you. And then you double click at this edge and it gives you all that. It sums up. That's what's really good with computers. So finding average, we still use, I want to use the function. Using the function, I am getting the range from an English score to SST score. Obviously, it's divided by 4 from there, and that is what I get when I double click from there. Well, in finding grade, I'm gonna use if a function. If function is really good, especially with finding things that they'll say giving either grade or um, being giving something like excellent or A, this is B. So I'm trying to put that this is B, and I'm saying that if my total is great, if my average is greater or equals to 80, then it is an A. If my average is greater or equals to 70, then it's B. If my average my average is greater or equals to 16, then it is the C. And if my average is greater or equals to if my is equals to 15, then it is a D. Otherwise it is a F. You need to be sure of this. If any mistake you made, it gives you something else. So please try to find out. When I'm done, then when you're done, you press enter and you see your value coming there. When you double click at the edge, that's what you get. And it really copies for all the sums of other values. In finding positions, you can use rank. When you use rank, there is rank AQ, there is rank Av. When you're using rank AQ, basically you're just trying to make everything different, but when there are numbers that are the same, they're in the same positions, but you want to make them different, you can use a rank AV. It can give you, like, say 3.5, 3.5 again, then 3. It jumps one stage and takes you there. And you using rank, you first get the one reference. You get one number that you're all going to refer this to. I'm gonna use total. If the total, that is G1, and then the reference should be from G1 to G8. from G3 to G8, when you use the, you say it, and then you say that let it start from zero, from the, in ascending order. When you close the bracket, don't forget. And remember this thing with rank. Rank always has something to do with uh, the dollar sign. If you don't put a dollar sign in between your ribs, trust me, you're not gonna get the values. I've been through this. I'm telling you, you have to put the dollar signs. And when you put the dollar sign, you're done. You have to just close the bracket and then press enter. Aha, that's what you get. That's my value right there. Guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.